Amid the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, conduct of Rath Yatra has been restricted across Odisha this year as well. There is disappointment among devotees for being unable to have darshan of their deities. However, in order to take you a bit closer to the Lord, here is an interesting piece of Jagannath history that is not known to everyone. Very few would know that Jagannath culture in Keonjhar is as old as 1000 years. Keonjhar was earlier part of the state of Mayurbhanj. Keonjhar became an independent state in 1128 CE, and researchers believe that this marked the beginning of the Jagannath culture in Keonjhar. Lord Jagannath's idol was established in the Siddhi Matha of Keonjhar and worshipped. According to researchers, during the reign of Gopinath Bhanja in the year 1406, the chariot pulling ceremony of Lord Jagannath began. During those times, a small chariot with just 8 wheels was used during the car festival. However, in the year 1461, after Trilochan Bhanja took over reins of the state, he visited Puri. Under the commandership of Trilochan's son, Gobinda Bhanja, Lord Jagannath and Balabhadra undertook the Kanchi Abhiyan as soldiers. After returning victorious from Kanchi, the king visited Puri and witnessed the gigantic chariot and the massive Srimandir temple before heading back to Keonjhar. This is when he conceptualized the idea of establishing a temple and creating a chariot even bigger than Puri. However, it never materialized. In 1654, when Lakshminarayan Bhanja became the king of Keonjhar, he wanted to fulfill the dreams of his ancestors and began construction of the Lord Jagannath's temple. However, the temple was smaller. In the year 1671, the temple in Keonjhar was inaugurated, and since then, the tradition of constructing gigantic 72 feet tall chariot for the car festival started. Lord Baladevajiu is worshipped in the temple, but the chariot is known as Nandi Ghosa. Another unique tradition of this Rath Yatra is that the chariots are pulled using Siadi ropes, which are made by local tribal communities from Siadi creepers. Report by Pranay Kumar Pani from Keonjhar, OTV News.